What's up, vlog? Yo, what's up, girl? That's my new intro. Oh, roasted and toasted, flipped over, mac and cheese.
Huh?
The vlog is hot. What's up? The vlog is scorching. Yo, what's up, girl?
Grader you in? You're a 9th grader now. So what school do you mix in? What was that third word?
Ison.
I.
Can I take these?
You alright? You were like, ooh.
My hands literally change when I play diddles, or do they still go the same?
To catch a bullet like an interception. Oh, since 9-5, mama been working 9-5. And I know the landlord fed up with the eyelash. So we pray to the guys in our lives to keep us safe and watch our lives. Cause all we trying to do is do good. Pull out my hood when I walk through.
You were right there. We're gonna take a picture. I told. Yes.
Hey everyone. I will. Okay. Hey everyone. We're vlogging. We're vlogging. Hey. Yeah, they're good. Okay. Hey Sabrina, say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
Okay. I don't know what to talk about. I need to get my music stuff. And honestly, I want to cry.
What are you doing?
We are vlogging up in this B.
For what?
For nothing. B. Okay, anyways, I think I'm done here, but like, I already like, you know, cried myself a river, so it's gonna be great.
Okay, you hold it in your hand like this, take your finger, put it in there like that.
Hey vlog, my name is Sydney. I'm not gonna say anything else. This is Keely. I'm in guard. I'm amazing.
Will people stop taking my freaking stuff? I don't like it.
I don't like this angle of me. I play clarinet, viola. Really my lips are so chapped. That's my boyfriend. Oh, you admitted it. Yeah. I haven't heard. You're making me sound like a horrible girlfriend. Like this video if you like iCarly. Or anything. Really. Monster Man. Hi!
By the way, I just farted in his face too. Chill out, Jack. I didn't.
No, I know, but like I can't breathe because you sat on me.
Okay. Oh darn, that looks good. Bye. This is Maddie's vlog. Bye.
Never know.
Oh, we're saying bye. Oh shoot.
I'm just like, you say something and then you just end the vlog.
Say something.
What up, vlog?
Oh god, this is
I'll hold it.
vlog! This is so illegal. Oh wait, we gotta go over a speed bump. Oh my god, there's all.
Oh, oh god! On my head!
We're gonna have to fix this because this can't happen. Oh my god!
Do you know that's
You jumped so fast! I'm sorry!
Oh yeah, if you're looking for the voice, that's my daddy right there. Look what I found. A wild. Ah!
Oh my god. Okay, what if my dad pulled up right next to us? It's like, Maddie, you gotta. What?
What are you doing? Oh my god!
What are you talking about?
That is so illegal.
Oh god! This is literally my dad. My boss saw me firing.
Where do you work?
Right there.
Seafood and steak?
Driftwood. Oh my god.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh, I hit the head of my god. Alright, open the door, open the door.
Oh my god.
Don't hit the car.
Oh my god, there's a woman.
This man fell out the car. He was like, Mom. What's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
My mom.
Band camp day 69.
She doesn't know you're here?
No.
JJ!
We're not gonna be gone for an hour. She said I'm yeah. That means you're gonna be in the band room, in the.
Why do we kind of look alike almost?
Or somewhere.
Because our last name's Thompson.
You were not. Maybe because
We're gangsters,
What if we're-
hardcore. You can't drink a lot of soy sauce. Back to the day. They don't speak American.
I'm not in the vlog.
Okay, segment of the day number 2. Who can drink this faster?
No, I got that from my chicken.
Go! You're losing time, sister.
Sister.
Hurry. Okay, 3, 2, fun, go.
Ew.
That was fast. A whopping 0.23 seconds. What a score.
So this is a Kobe Luke Long. I got a teriyaki chicken bowl. Same here. Very delicious. Did you get anything, JJ?
What is this?
It's called hibachi chicken with ginger sauce.
So look, one
It's
request.
Diesel, a good Christian Minecraft server.
This isn't rap.
It's him.
Watch me swallow an ice cube.
You don't even eat it.
Okay, ready? Watch me swallow an ice cube. Ready? We gotta find this only way. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ew, that makes me feel uncomfortable.
Hey,
Wait, you just stuff there. I don't know.
salmon shanty.
How do you feel to be in one of my vlogs, JJ?
Dude, it feels great. Like,
Feel great to be in one of my car vlogs?
yeah, dude. Like, I've never been one before. And this just seems awesome.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm haters.